In this video, I'll show you how to see who you follow on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And if you want to see those you follow on LinkedIn, what you're going to do right now, head over to your LinkedIn account, right? You're going to click on this My Network. Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to load. Once it has opened, what you're going to do right now, you can see from these displayed options, you can see following and followers, right? So you're going to click on this following and followers. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to wait for it to load up. Give it just few seconds for it to open, right? So yeah, you can see once it has opened up, you can see my following right here, right? You are following 13 people out of your network. So this is basically how you can see those you follow here on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.